Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our Ford Mondeo Titanium X. So this is our 2010 Ford Mondeo Titanium X. It's only done 83,000 miles from new. It's got 3 former keepers, with the last owning it since 2016. It's got a whopping 10 service stamps in the book, and whilst in our care, we've done the timing belt and water pump, given it service, new disc pads on the front, a fresh MOT with no advisories, and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. It's in pretty good condition for the age and mileage. Odd little mark here and there, as you've got to expect. Same on the alloys, a little bit of imperfections on the alloys, but really nothing to worry about with the age and mileage. Inside, you've got the half leather and suede heated and cooled seats. DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, steering wheel controls, cruise control, power fold mirrors too. It's the 6-speed manual with the 2-litre diesel. All in pretty good condition. Loads of legroom in the back. These are very, very practical motors. We really, really like these Mondeos. Very nice motors. And you've also got a whacking great boot to match. Huge boot space. Very, very practical. Well looked after motor, 10 service stamps, low owners, low mileage, ready to go to its new owner. Looks really nice in this ink blue paintwork. Really, really lovely car. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. If you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.